extremely useful computer tips. Minimize and restore all windows. Do you want to minimize all the windows? Windows key plus D will minimize everything running, which will save your time. It's really a time-taking task to press the minimize button for each window. If you want to restore all the minimized windows, you can use the same Windows key plus D to restore all the windows at once. Windows plus M offers the same functionality, but you can't undo the changes, so Windows plus D is a more useful approach. Close the current windows. Tired of moving mouse cursor all the way to that X button? Here is an easy way. Press Ctrl plus W and the current window will close. How to bring back a closed tab on your favorite browser. You have accidentally closed a tab? No problem. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen the most recently closed tab and get back to what you were doing. Undo any action to fix mistakes. Hope you already know the ultimate hotkey Ctrl plus C and its power to undo any typing mistakes. But the new thing is it can be used to undo everywhere to fix mistakes. You can bring back the file you accidentally deleted or move by pressing Ctrl plus Z. And there is also a radio key. Press Ctrl plus Y to redo anything you undo. So now you have the power to undo and redo everything on your computer.